Stop scrolling. If you feel tired all the time, but suddenly feel better when you're alone, this isn't burnout. It's something else. Psychology says sometimes you're not tired of life, you're tired of people. And most people don't realize this until it quietly starts changing them. Everything starts to feel heavy. You feel drained, unmotivated, disconnected. And you ask yourself, why do I feel like this? But then something strange happens. When you're alone, it feels lighter. That's when it hits you. Maybe it's not life that's exhausting you. Maybe it's people. 1. You feel better when you're alone. Not lonely, peaceful. No pressure, no expectations, no explaining yourself. For once, your mind is quiet. 2. Conversations feel like work. Replying feels like a task. Small talk drains you. You see messages and think, I'll respond later. But later never comes. 3. You get drained faster than before. Negativity hits harder now. Complaints, drama, noise. Things you once ignored now exhaust you, so you pull away. 4. You stop explaining yourself. You used to explain everything. Now you don't. Not because you don't care, but because you're tired of being misunderstood. Silence becomes protection. 5. You start avoiding people on purpose. Not out of hate, out of awareness. You already know how you'll feel after. Drained. So you choose distance, and it finally feels right. 6. You crave depth, not presence. You don't want more people. You want real ones, real conversations, real understanding. And because of that, your circle gets smaller. 7. You feel emotionally exhausted. Not just tired, drained. And sleep doesn't fix it, because it's not your body that's tired, it's your mind. Being tired of people doesn't make you a bad person. It means you've been giving more than you're receiving for too long. So before you say, I'm tired of life, ask yourself this. Are you just tired of the wrong people? Follow for more psychology insights that help you protect your energy and understand yourself better.